At a press conference held on the 14th of June 2022, the members of the Khasi Students Union Nehu unit had clarified on certain issues related to the Common University Entrance Test for admission into the UG and PG courses of the university. The Nehu unit KSU President Banlumlang Rani, while speaking to reporters, clarified that as per the central government's new education policy, all students who are seeking admission into both undergraduate and postgraduate courses within the university campus have to appear for the Common University Entrance Test, of which the registration for the same will come to a close on the 18th of June 2022. Rani therefore urged upon all students seeking such admission to register themselves for the upcoming CUET 2022.
To express or to let our youth or our people regarding the CUET entrance exam, because in recent days, in just a few weeks, we got so many calls from our friends from all around our state, like they clarified from us regarding the CUET, whether the CUET will be implemented or not, whether it's required or not to continue their studies to join the PG course in the Nehu. After that notification from the Education Ministry that affiliated college have been exempted to conduct the CUET of the Nehu and some university of the northeastern state. So we want to clarify here that it has just mentioned affiliated college, but not direct college that have in the Nehu, that inside the Nehu campus. We have there like BA, LLB and many PG course there in the Nehu campus. So we would like to let you know all that if you want to continue your studies inside in the Nehu, you have to go through CUET, but the last date to register for this Common University Entrance Test is on 18. So we have for around 3 to 4 days. So I seek you all and I call upon you all to do please register for this CUET if you want to continue your studies in the Nehu campus.
While speaking about the introduction of Japanese language as one of the courses in the Northeastern Hill University, Banlumlang Rani opined that the university authorities should first of all look into and improve the performance of existing departments and non-core departments like tourism, creative and cultural studies, library science, mass media and others, rather than introduce a new course of study.
Membawa Deputy Chief Minister jong ngejela jongi iba perstun tensong mayong ban saplino kita ke Japanese course na Japanese language tipo school ba nihu na kaliang jongi kum kasinat rikam badan jong seng badan tipo school ba nimbong bangi persya dari swa ban ra ikti bali kim ladi men penbiang swa ki jindon kam bakerki ke badan kam for school ba nihu makibon kidon ki course ki UG course ki badan po ki college po nang ba Shillong po nihu mentakam padon ban le kita PG course Badon lu ki badon ladan po Nehu benle PG course don hi college ba pair kim padon benle ka kim padon hi ta PG course ba jong ta subject te nga chupong gumnia ba haswa ban pai khmat cha ka Japanese language sarkar jilla ka adi ban pai khmat ka adi ban ajing mut chwa chak po kinang penia jong Nehu ngane cha ka sarkar kimi ba hab ban kentiu ya kini kiwi ki ba ladan lupa kiwi per ki benta ba po Nehu padon but ia Japanese language kan sai pet hadin malabet labiang chwa kijing don kam barok ki bang don kam palat hakini ki por bamenta.